Welcome back, Chef. Choose one of us to make... Great! Let's get started. Here we go. Now, choose a letter and drag it on the... O, like in ostrich. A, U, I. Great job, Chef. Now it's time to decorate. Yeah, that's nice. Oh, do you want to add some more? Do you want to add some more? Okay, Chef, now here's the best part. Elmo can't wait to share our cookie yard. Tap the cookies to eat them yourself, or drag them to share with Cookie Monster. Hey, wait a second! This cookie looks a little familiar.
Hey, Cookie! This cookie is astounding! Nom, 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 nom.
Thank you! Elmo's gonna save it for later.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy! Nom, 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 nom. Okay, this is me favorite one. Who me kidding? They all me favorite. Nom, 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 nom. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you, little chef. Now we make more cookies.
Yeah, let's get cookie cutting. Yeah, baby. A, like in
Apricot.
U, I, O, O. Add decorations to impress Chef Cookie Monster. Oh, that's nice. Do you want to add some more? Do you want to try more toppings? Okay, Chef, now here's the best part. Elmo can't wait to share our cookie yard. Cookies to eat them yourself, or drag them to share with Cookie Monster.
Whoa, this cookie Picasso. Nom, 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 nom.
Chef Elmo thinks this one turned out really well.
Nom, 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 nom.
Oh boy! Elmo's gonna share it with his good friend Rosita.
Oh, this cookie should be hanging in museum. Or me tummy. Nom, 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 nom. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you, little chef. Now we make more cookies.